lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use guava leaves to get rid of your dandruff and also to turn your gray hair into dark hair. Yes, and we know guava leaves is more of a lot of benefits that are packed with all energetic and antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. That's massaging this extract that I'm coming to show you here deeply into your clean scalp will help get rid of the dandruff and also the gray hair that we have. So these are my pieces of my fresh guava leaves. What I am going to do is I'm going to make sure to wash this very well. So I'm once again going to wash it again. Make sure you wash it to remove all the dust and the dirt on the leaves. So on my next stage, I'm going to need a blender here. I'm going to make sure to add everything into the blender. Then I'll just add a few water to it. So you make sure you cover it, then you bring it to a blend. So stay tuned to see how I'm going to show you to blend this. Okay guys, so this is my blended guava leaves. As you can see, I've really blended it to become. So now I need a strainer and a bowl. I'm going ahead to strain this into it. This method is so simple to get rid of. Okay, so my next ingredient is going to be honey. Honey will also help suit your scalp against any soles and also moisturize your scalp as well. Make sure you stir it very well. Now my next ingredient is palm kernel oil, which is also very good. It's homemade oil that I made it for myself, so just measuring this. Once you have this, you can strain it into a spray bottle or into any applicator bottle that you have. Yes, any applicator bottle that you have. Then you spray it onto your scalp. You spray it onto your scalp, or with the applicator bottle you apply it onto your scalp and the strands of your hair. You cover your hair. Make sure your scalp is very clean when you're applying this. Yes, you wash it off with shampoo, then you apply this consistency in it, and then you put on your shower cap. Wait for 30 minutes. Yes, you wait for 30 minutes, then you rinse it off with water. Yes, you rinse it off with water. Afterwards, you moisturize your scalp with your hair moisturizer. All right, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a